Hi class, this is Rebecca again, and I want to welcome you to Unit 1. This week, first I'd like you to stop on over at the Introduce Yourself area and tell us your name and why you signed up for this class, even if it was a requirement and you were forced to do so, and your current and or future educational hopes here at Kaplan or maybe someplace else. This week we have a lot of reading, so make sure to read carefully Chapter 1s and Chapter 2s. These two chapters are going to be really important because they're going to supply you with the core terms and ideas that we will use over and over and over again in this class. For example, you'll talk about the consequential reasoning such as act or rule utilitarianism, altruism, or even egoism, right? There's different kinds of egoism, and these are all concepts that we're going to be using a lot of. Or you'll also learn a little bit about non-consequential reasoning, ideas such as divine ethics and duty ethics. So make sure to read these chapters closely and take notes. Oh, by the way, if you go to the doc sharing area, you'll find a cheat sheet of these terms that you can keep with you at all times. They'll help you remember what you're looking at. This week in seminar, I'm going to take us on a virtual tour of our classroom and also talk a little bit about what consequential and or non-consequential reasoning means to us personally. We'll also talk about the syllabus and the different kind of things that are going to be due in this course. For example, there are 3 different papers that are due in this course plus a major final project. And these are in addition to things like discussion posts, right? So we'll discuss that. You'll want to make sure and check on the final project information that's also included. Of course, it's not due until Unit 9, but it's a portfolio project, so you need to keep track of how you do throughout the entire semester or term together. So you're going to want to look at this information and see what this means for you. Finally, or almost finally, go to Check Your Knowledge. And under Check Your Knowledge, you'll have an opportunity to review where you're at with key terms and ideas from the first 2 chapters of reading. This is kind of required for just about every unit in this class. It's only worth 5 points, but it's super important for you to understand where you stand with the concepts and ideas. We also have a fun thing called How You Think in this unit, where you get to find out if you're a consequential thinker or a non-consequential thinker. I myself am a little bit of both, but after taking this test I'm told that I am a consequential thinker and I probably function under act utilitarianism, which I would agree with. We'll talk about that more pretty soon. Finally, there's some information on additional resources for you, some ideas and concepts, podcasts, for example, that you can look at, podcasts about consequential ethical theorists, and all these different concepts and ideas that you're going to be introduced to. So spend some time, get used to your classroom, get used to these ideas and terms. I'll see you Monday night seminar, and I really look forward to meeting everybody. Goodbye!